Croatia has officially put its fleet of advanced Dassault Rafale fighter jets into operation, marking a new era in its defense system. The last jet of a total of 12 units has landed at the Pukovnik Marko Živković Air Base in Pleso, completing the delivery process exactly 1 year after the first 6 units arrived from France. The procurement of the Rafale aircraft is part of an agreement between the Croatian and French governments signed in 2021, with a value of 999 million euros. All of the aircraft come from French Air and Space Force stocks, but still represent a significant upgrade over the MiG-21 jets that have been the backbone of Croatia's air defense. The F-3R version of the Rafale fighter jet brings many advanced technologies that enhance Croatia's combat capabilities. Equipped with Thales RBE 2-AAAESA radar, the aircraft is capable of accurately detecting and tracking long-range targets. The embedded Spectra electronic warfare system also provides advantages in terms of self-defense, enemy signal jamming, and survivability in complex combat environments. In terms of armament, the Rafale offers great flexibility. The jet is capable of carrying Meteor missiles for long-range airstrikes, as well as Mika missiles for close and medium-range combat. For land and sea attack missions, it can operate AASM Hammer precision bombs and Exocet AM-39 anti-ship missiles. Strategically, the Rafale strengthens Croatia's position in NATO's defense structure. The new fleet is capable of performing Quick Reaction Alert QRA missions, supporting NATO air and missile defense systems, and is ready to take part in multinational operations. Thanks to its advanced communication and navigation systems, the Rafale enables high interoperability with the air forces of other NATO member states. Not only strengthening national defense, Rafale operations also have a regional impact. Croatia is now one of the countries with the most modern air force in the Southeast European region. This supports security stability in the Balkan region and the Adriatic Sea, which have high strategic value. As part of its long-term commitment to NATO, the Croatian government also increased its defense budget to 2% of GDP by 2025, with plans for a gradual increase to 3% by 2027. This move demonstrates Croatia's seriousness in building a modern and collectively responsible military force within the framework of the alliance. With all Rafale jets now officially operational, Croatia has completed one of the largest and most ambitious defense programs in its history. The Croatian Air Force now has a state-of-the-art air capability ready to meet the challenges of the future, while strengthening the country's contribution to maintaining regional peace and stability. The modernization of Croatia's fighter jet fleet with Rafale not only includes aspects of defense equipment, but is also accompanied by an increase in human resources and supporting infrastructure. Dozens of pilots, technicians, and support personnel have undergone intensive training in France, including combat mission simulations and advanced system maintenance. This knowledge transfer is a crucial step in ensuring the Rafale's sustainable operational capability. Domestically, maintenance facilities and logistics systems have also been upgraded to be able to support the operations of the 4th generation jet. Pleso Air Base is now equipped with specialized hangars, smart weapon handling systems, and modern command and control rooms. All of this is aimed at creating a more self-sufficient and efficient air defense ecosystem. In addition to strengthening defense, the Rafale acquisition is also seen as having an economic impact. In the long term, industrial cooperation between Croatia and France is expected to open up opportunities for technology development, aircraft maintenance, and the possibility of domestic component production. The Croatian government is also opening discussions with European partners to develop local defense industry capabilities as part of economic diversification and job creation. The decision to adopt the Rafale is not just a modernization of the main weapon system, but also a clear statement about Croatia's readiness to face future threats. In an increasingly dynamic geopolitical environment, Croatia affirms its commitment to protecting national airspace, strengthening international cooperation, and actively contributing to maintaining stability in the Southeast European region. The Croatian defense minister called the Rafale operation a strategic moment that will shape the direction of Croatia's defense policy for decades to come. With an increasingly modern, interoperable, and responsive military posture, Croatia positions itself as a reliable NATO partner and an increasingly strategically important regional protector. With the completion of the procurement process for Dassault Rafale fighter jets, Croatia has confirmed its commitment to significantly strengthen its defense capabilities. This success is not only an important milestone in the modernization of the country's air fleet, but also a reflection of Croatia's readiness to contribute more within the framework of the NATO alliance, as well as ensure the protection of its territory amid changing geopolitical dynamics. Advanced Rafale jets with a wide range of defense systems and modern weapons provide a strategic advantage, both in air combat and other missions. This increased operational capacity will enable Croatia to face more complex and diverse military challenges in the future, strengthen the country's role in the Southeast European region, and maintain stability in a geopolitically crucial region. Moreover, investments in technology development, personnel training, and defense infrastructure signal Croatia's long-term commitment to become an integral part of NATO's collective defense. With this step, Croatia not only strengthens its own defense, but also contributes to security and peace in Europe as a whole. In conclusion, the operation of the Rafale fleet symbolizes a new renaissance in Croatia's defense posture that is more modern, adaptive, and ready to face future challenges. The country is now on track to strengthen its defenses and play a greater role in maintaining regional and global stability.